Y'all, my HTVRONT Autopress just came in. Let's unpackage this bad boy and see what it's all about. One's the 15 by 15 Autopress, which I love. I love the big heat press. As you can see, I have this one here. This one is a turn-away one. You can see. Yep, that's me in true Trebusheayt fashion, spilling, making a mess, dropping things, and in this case, breaking my old heat press. So thankfully, HTVRONT has sponsored this video because if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have a press right about now. If you've seen my videos before, and in this case, you see very clearly I keep it real here. I show you the truth, my honest opinions, reviews, and all of those things. So let's get into this new HTVRONT Autopress and see what it's all about. Now back to dealing with this mess. Good thing I have a new one. Oh my god. We're gonna talk about some key features of the HTVRONT Autopress. So I love that it has this pull-out drawer. It also comes with this really nice mat, so you don't need to go ahead and get like a Cricut Easy Press mat or whatever. It just comes with it with some elastics, which is great to be able to just easily keep it on there. Now we're gonna try turning on the power button. You can see it automatically lifts, hence the auto press. You can turn off that feature so that you can manually do it each time. That's part of it that you can kind of select. So here, as you see, you have the on button. Over here, you can see it's the temperature gauge. So you can go in here and turn it up or down. You can see the red light is flashing because it's heating up, and it will be green once it is heated. So down here we have a little clock for the time. You can go ahead and put it up or down if you need. Here we have the settings. So these are some settings that you can kind of preset to easily just go through if you do like sublimation, you do heat transfer vinyl, and you want to kind of alternate through quickly. You can set those. For now they're not set, but you can set those. And of course, if you need to know how to do that, it's all in the manual here, so you can just take a little peek at how that works. Then in the middle we have the custom feature, which you can see you can kind of go ahead and set the one that you want. And over here we just have to turn off the auto. So here is where you're able to turn that auto press feature on and off to see if it's going to press on its own. Now, as you saw, this is the up and down, and this one is going to be the go. So if you don't have the auto feature on, you want it to go down, you're gonna press on that. Safety feature of this is any button you press once it is closed will open this auto press. So that's a little safety feature they have. If you realize, oh no, like it's burning, or you know, whatever, sometimes that happens, especially with me, you can press any button and it's going to lift up. You don't need to stress to figure out which button it is. So it's a great little feature. Again, this one is not a swing away one. So you pull out the drawer. I'm gonna give you a little example while it's heating up. You're gonna pull out the drawer. You are going to add the garment on it. So if you're doing a sweater or a hoodie, I was just doing it this way so that it hangs off the back. It's not too bulky, but this shirt is pretty thin. It's fine to do. The great thing about this is you can kind of streamline a bunch of products at once. So if I'm making, let's say, 20 shirts for an order, because of the auto press feature, I can really easily just put in the shirt, let's say slide it in. As soon as that happens, it's going to close and press. Obviously it's not heated up yet, but once it's heated up, it'll be good to go. And then I can get the next shirt ready. So this one's gonna lift on its own, pull that out, put the next one in. You can see it's already heated up, so it went green and it is ready to go. Now this is not the temperature I'm going to be using for this specific shirt because I am doing sublimation, but I just kind of wanted to show you. So let's set the temperature to what we actually want it to be. We're gonna go in and set it to 380. Alrighty, so my press is heated up and ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out the drawer. The first thing I'm going to do is a little pre-press. So I am doing sublimation. This shirt is not 100% polyester. I believe it's about 60%, which means that my print is going to come out more dull, and that's okay. I'm fine with that. I'm kind of going for that look. Make sure your auto press feature is turned on, and when I close the drawer, it just closes. It does its own thing. Did you see how easy that was? And that's what I mean by how quick and easy it is to streamline these shirts. Now I'm just doing a little pre-press, so I'm gonna show you that little emergency feature. I'm gonna press any button and up it goes, okay? So it's a really great feature for safety just to have. Now what I want to do is I'm going to put my little saying on the shirt. I'm going to put it about here. and I'm just gonna add a little bit of tape to it just to kind of hold it on there. This is heat tape. Please don't use regular tape for your heat press. It will just melt it, okay? Before I press it, I'm going to put some parchment paper because I'm choosing to do sublimation. Now, you could do heat transfer vinyl, you could do printable vinyl, you know, infusible ink. You can kind of do whatever you want. You'll see it's gonna automatically go down, starting to count down from 60 seconds already. And then once it's done, you're gonna see it's going to lift up on its own, which is why I love, love, love this machine so much. It's space saving, it's compact, you get that quality, that really firm press. Like if I tried to pull this out, even the Teflon sheet, it's not going anywhere. Like I'm pulling, it's not moving. So that's how you know you're getting a strong and firm press, which is huge when it comes to a heat press. A Cricut Easy Press, for example, it's going to be more difficult to get a hard, even press unless you're using the Cricut Autopress. Now this one is more affordable, which is why I really go towards this one. I believe it's more around like the $300 mark. I'm gonna leave it up on the screen here. It's definitely more of a financially savvy option if you're looking at it for your business or for your crafts. And again, I love how space saving it is. You're gonna see it's gonna lift on its own. That's how easy it was, okay? Do you understand how much easier that makes life for me? We're gonna take a look at our press and what it ends up looking like. So I'm gonna peel it up. Like I said, it's going to be more of a dull finished look, but check that out. Absolutely stunning. I love it. She's cute. She's pressed on there evenly. It's gorgeous. We are ready to do our next press. So this is on the back of the shirt. I have my Teflon sheet on there, all of my things, and away she goes. Imagine this is my next shirt that I had to press. Do you see how quick of a transition that was? A few seconds to move it and go, and I can already be preparing my next shirt because I know this is going to lift automatically on its own. The price point is great. The fact that it's going to increase my time, my workflow, it's going to increase my productivity, which in return is going to make me more money for my business. So all in all, I highly recommend this one. I'm really excited that I got this one, especially since I dropped the other one, but real talk, I like how much more this saves space. I can just have it tucked away. The other one I had to have a whole table available just to have the Swing-A-Right press. So this one I really, really like, and the fact that it's 15 by 15 means I can make anything I want with this press. Remember, safety feature, any button is going to open up that press. It lifts, and then we're good to go. So let's take a look at what this shirt looks like. Take off our little protective sheet. This is the back of the shirt here, and she's stunning. She's gorgeous. That even press I got is just absolutely beautiful. And of course, I will be doing videos showing you with heat transfer vinyl. I'll be showing with printable vinyl. I'm going to show you all of the things. The quality of the press that you get with this is absolutely incredible. So I'm just going to turn it off while I'm talking to all of you. And here we have the finished shirt. It is so cute. Well, it's safe to say I'm in love. If you want to get your own HTV Autopress, make sure you head on over to the link in the description. There's also a discount code down there. Save yourself some money. Check it out. You won't be disappointed. I'm in love, and I cannot wait to craft even more with you all with my new Autopress. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.